This is Sananda. I am happy to be communicating with you. Today I would like to speak with the energy, frequency, and vibration of the conch shell. As you know, these channelings are encoded with energies to support you with your ascension process. They are all a little bit different. They are energies coming from the masters that are communicating. But we together have created the support for you. One of those ways we are supporting you is to bring to you the energy, frequency, and vibration of a conch shell being played. We have instructed and guided this channel to acquire a conch shell and to begin to play that every day. And the purpose of him playing that is to activate the star seeds and light workers to be drawn to and supported by the ascension process. This is the right time. This channel is a beacon of peace, love, and light, and we have asked him to add this activity to his daily routine. We have asked him to record his playing of the conch shell this morning and add that to this channeling. So after we are completed with our comments, you will have the opportunity to listen to and experience the frequency and vibration of this conch shell, which is supporting you in the raising of your frequency, as well as activating those star seeds and light workers who are ready to become aware of the ascension. Many are still unconscious about this, unconscious about the fact that they are star seeds and light workers. However, as the frequencies raise, they will have this experience of waking up. That is why we say to you, be open, be aware, be alert to those that are drawn to you. As you are star seeds and light workers, they are drawn to you for a reason. And many times there is nothing for you to say or do, just to be. And that will support their activation. The conch shell will support you and those whom are waking up. So we are pleased to be able to provide this for your support. If you are inspired, please listen to this. Even if you decide not to, we want to encourage you to be your own highest guide. We all provide this information. However, you are the most important guide on this journey. So nothing for you to do, to be. This channel is designed to support you, offer tools, ideas, techniques, and energies to support you. However, nothing that you have to do. You will still achieve the ascension, whether you listen to these updates or any other updates being provided by other channels or any other ascended masters. You are on that path. So just know that, and we are supporting you. And we will continue to. So that is all that we have. We are going to ask the channel to attach his playing of the conch shell if that is something you're drawn to. We are complete.